Tired of seeing customers abandon their carts at checkout? Let's fix that by making it ridiculously easy for them to pay with Apple Pay. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on the Settings button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Think of this as your store's control panel. Now, find and click on Payment Providers. This section allows you to manage all your payment options. If you're already using Shopify Payments, click the Manage button within the Shopify Payments section. If not, you'll need to set up Shopify Payments first. Scroll down until you see the Apple Pay section here. You'll find the option to enable Apple Pay. Click the toggle to activate it. Shopify will then guide you through verifying your domain to ensure secure transactions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This step is crucial for security. And that's it. Once verified, your customers can now breeze through checkout using Apple Pay on their iPhones, iPads, and Macs, boosting your sales and providing a seamless shopping experience.